Hello guys, welcome to another video from Expand Trading. Today we'll be looking at GBP USD, and this video is going to be in English as I'm covering content for my foreign watchers too. So we'll start with the analysis and we'll drop from monthly to daily time frame and we'll see how the market is reacting. Today I'll show you COT data in Excel, and surely in some time I will be uploading it on my website too. So let's start, guys. First of all, dropping to the monthly time frame, what we see is that this zone, if I mark it with a rectangle we have seen that if that market has quite precisely been rejecting this zone as a support, and it has shown us a bullish price action every time it has tried to go below our support zone. So finally, when the market broke down, it showed us a little bit of retesting here and then it broke down. But now the market has again broken above our previously support converted resistance, and now again the resistance has been converted to support. Okay. So what we can expect in the monthly time frame is that we can expect this is a good support area. This is a good monthly support. We can expect market moving away from here till our next monthly resistance, where that is here. We can expect market giving us a bullish price action till we get to this level of 1.40880. Okay, we can expect a bullish price action, but we have a small resistance here. We'll see when the market breaks from here, we'll be more confirmed about a bigger bullish price action. But for the time, what I can say is that market is moving away from this. That is, it is quite respectfully, quite precisely again respecting this support. Okay, and it is moving away from this support. Now dropping down to the weekly time frame, what do we see is that market created a resistance over here. Okay, market wasn't going above from this level. If I change its color, you will be able to see it more clearly. Market went down from our monthly support. Okay, it converted it into resistance, but then what we see is, if I market gave us an impulse in the upwards direction. Okay, market again retested this in this particular resistance zone, now converted to support, acted as a support over here and pushed the market away into a more bullish price action. Okay, so what I expect is that market has already retested this zone. Okay, now we can expect a more bullish price action. We saw a impulse here. Now whenever we see an impulse, what do? We mark a Fibonacci for our impulse, and what do we see here is that market has actually retested the 0.382 level and approximately till 0.5 level, and then showed us another bullish price action. Similarly, if I mark an impulse, a Fibonacci retracement over this impulse, what do we have is that market has retested till the 0.5 and 0.618 levels, and now market is again showing us a bullish price action. Now dropping down to the daily time frame. Okay, so market showed us a great impulse here. Market came back down. Okay, market created a type of resistance over here, which is now a converted support. Okay, so market broke above from where? From our monthly resistance, which was earlier support, and now again which is a support, but it was converted into resistance during this breakout to the downward side. Okay, so market again came back to our levels, again broke above that resistance, now converted support. Then market tried to create a resistance here. Okay, market came back down, showed us a bearish price action, but after that now market has broken above, created a new higher high, market has broken above this previous resistance, now converted support over here, and now what we can see is a more bullish price action from here itself. Okay, as market would have rejected this area here or here, then we could have seen a more bearish price action towards the downward side. So what we can expect is a more bullish price action Okay, if I mark a Fibonacci retracement over here, as we can see a impulse here, I can clearly see that this resistance level that I have marked for the previous impulse, where the previous impulse retested it, showed us a confluence of resistance has been in our 0.618 and 0.5 level. Okay, so the market has retested itself into the same levels and now has started showing us a bullish price action. Okay, so what you can expect is, if I give a live trade right now, guys, I always give a trade. So similarly, I'll mark my Fibonacci over here. Okay, so similarly, as you can see in my previous videos, that we'll mark the stop loss at 0.786 or a little bit below, and our target profit is going to be in the ratio 1:2. Okay, so we'll be out with our 70% profits at 1:2, that is at 1.30103 if I mark with a horizontal line, and rest of our profits we would be out at 1:3, that is 1.31581. Okay, so this is the live trade, guys. You can take the trade or leave it, it is your wish. You can watch my earlier videos how I've been right over here. As we were here in the market, I told you guys how we can expect a bullish price action on 15th June, and similarly we saw that bullish price action over here. And again, I told you guys that why we can expect a retest, and we saw that retest in the last 2 weeks. We saw how market has been retesting the previous high, and now it has started showing us a great impulse in the a great bullish price action again, away from our previously converted resistance to support. Okay, so coming to the COT data, as I promised you guys, I will show you the COT data. This is for GBP, and as we are looking at GBP USD, this is directly related. So as we can see that from 14th of Feb 2023, okay, I'll be adding more data, I'll be adding previously data too, but for the time I have added this data to show you guys how this works. Okay, as we can see that institutions first had 42,190 and 198 longs, as compared to the latest 1,04,382 longs. Institutions have been adding longs in a very big value. Okay, similarly they have been decreasing their shorts from 61,993 shorts on 14th February. Now they are at 52,388 shorts. There has been a decrease of shorts, but not so subsequent decrease, but we have a real increase in the net positions. That is, we have seen that market has been on 14th of February, market has been at minus 19,000 net positions all the way up to 51,994 net positions. That is very good. That is that institutions are going for the long, and we are similarly expecting a longer movement. Okay, as I told you guys in the video, that we can expect a market to retest, and then we can have some great added longs by the institutions in this particular area. Similarly, we saw that a bullish price action has been created, and we can see the market to move up from here, that is breaking this higher high and creating a new higher high and giving us a lot of profits. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment any queries you want to ask. You can DM me on my Instagram to ask me any query personally. Okay, I am available always. So this is all for today, guys, for GBP USD. My next video would be on Euro USD. That would be uploaded today or tomorrow itself. So please guys, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any important update or free education that I give. So we'll meet in the next video, guys. Thank you.